It has no calories in it. So you're getting full with no calories, but you're just adding a little bit right here. Come on now, you can't beat it. You're not gonna feel tired. You're not gonna be so full like you just ate a double cheeseburger with fries and a drink, and now you're ready to go take a nap. So what if I told you I can get you almost 60 grams of protein in minutes without cooking? If that's something that you need, this video's for you. If you're new to my channel, I'm Mr. Mom 713. I'm here to help you get and stay fit, both mentally and physically. I'm gonna show you meals like this that's gonna help you get there, all right? Now, a big thing for me is I always say you have to stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Now, this meal right here is just basic. It's just sandwich and some chips. There's also other options I'm gonna show you, but if you keep your pantry and your fridge stocked properly, you won't have to worry about it because you stay ready. You don't have to worry, what am I gonna have for lunch? Oh, I gotta pull over to the fast food place, or oh, I gotta starve because I didn't bring my lunch. Let me just show you some easy options. I like to keep these items in stock. They're just so simple. Let's start off by bread. One of my favorite breads is this right here, this Sola Protein Bread. One of my favorite breads. This bread, one slice has 10 grams of protein in it. If you can find you Sola Protein Bread, go get it. If you can't find a protein bread, that's fine. Any bread from Sola is great, or just choose your favorite bread. Another one of my favorites is Sara Lee white bread. That bread is so good. If you can find, I know you can find that at most stores. Sola, you can go check Walmart. Walmart has a lot of Sola products, but protein soft white bread, one slice, 10 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber. Come on now, you can't beat that. Now, I don't know if you can get any easier than that, right? The sandwich. Now, come on. What I can recommend you do is keep some type of lunch meat in your fridge. It is just so simple. It is a cheat code. This is the one I grabbed here from Walmart. Keep it simple, right? So I grabbed some bread, grabbed some lunch meat. This is the Market Side Natural oven roasted turkey breast. Let's look at this. So we got 2 ounces, 60 calories, 0.5 grams of fat, and 10 grams of protein right here. So what I have right here is 2 slices of bread, and I got 2 servings of this, okay? So you're already at 40 grams of protein now. Come on now. With the 2 slices of bread and this right here, 40 grams of protein, you just can't beat it. That is so simple right there. What you can use, mustard, mayonnaise, these are easy to pack. Just grab the little ones if you can. These are so easy to pack, all right? Pack those with you, go to the job. You don't have any more excuses, or you don't have to use it, it's up to you. I always recommend Quest chips. I keep Quest chips in stock. 19 grams of protein. You put this with this, I mean, look at that. That is a protein packed plate right there. This is how simple it is. I'm trying to show you how simple it is. There's no more excuses. You have to stop making excuses. You got to stop saying, oh, well, I didn't have anything to eat, or oh, I don't know what I'm going to eat. No, you have to tell yourself, I'm done making excuses. No more of these excuses, okay? Meals like this is going to help you get there. I eat like this all the time. It helps me stay fit. It fills me up. I'm getting my protein. You know how I know how much protein I'm getting? I track everything. I can't recommend it enough. You have to track everything. Just go download MyFitnessPal. It is a free app. Put it on your phone and track everything you eat. It's that simple. Okay, you can see how much protein you're getting. Now, some of the other options I like to use, this right here, Ratio. This is one of my favorites. You don't have to go with Ratio if you don't want to. This is one of my favorites right here. 25 grams of protein. This coconut flavor is amazing. If you get down with Ratio, you let me know. Also, let me know what your favorite flavor is. But there's all kinds of different kind of yogurts. I probably have yogurt once a day, some form of fashion. Yogurt is great, fat-free yogurt, or there's all kinds of Chobani, there's all kinds of different kind of yogurts you can get. I keep these right here in stock because it's just a quick, easy way to get 25 grams of protein. Another way you can do it, just take the top off, put a little frozen berries on there, put a little honey on top, and it will knock out a sweet tooth, and you're getting 25 grams of protein. It's just a win-win, okay? So that's one way you can do it. You can get some Ratio. Now this is another way to do it too. Cottage cheese. I cannot recommend cottage cheese enough. It is so good. All you got to do is get you half a cup. You don't even need much, all right? Half a cup is going to get you 14 grams of protein. Now, depending on the type of cottage cheese you're going to use, depends on the protein amount, okay? So this right here, good cultured cottage cheese, low-fat cottage cheese, 14 grams of protein in half a cup. It can't get any easier than that, and it tastes great. Have you tried Good Culture? You let me know if you tried Good Culture, because it is amazing, okay? My favorite, but Daisy has, there's all kinds of different kind of cottage cheeses. Pick which one you like, try it out, go with that, get your protein. I also cook with this. If you add beef, you add some of this to it, man, you can really kick that protein up, and it tastes great. I cook with cottage cheese all the time. Okay, you can mix it with your eggs. Let me know how you like to use cottage cheese. Put it in the comments, and hopefully that'll help somebody else out who's reading the comments. Maybe they'll get another idea as well, okay? These two right here, can't recommend enough. Chomps beef sticks. And string cheese, come on now. String cheese, this is the light string cheese. I keep these on me because I mean, you put these two together right here, that is a great snack, okay? Let me show you what you do. You put these two together and you get you one of these right here. Sparkling water, whichever one you want to go with, it doesn't matter. So the good thing about these is that they help fill your stomach up. So you have just this and that is a great snack to get you to your next meal. So it could be a mid-morning snack or a mid-afternoon snack to get you to dinner or something. Just put these together, okay? String cheese, Chomps beef stick, and a water. Bam, there you go. I mean, it just can't get much easier than that. I'm trying to show you different ways. Now, you don't have to go with this water if you don't want to. Pick a water, it don't matter. Topo Chico, I don't care. Whatever you want to roll with, it don't matter. But the good thing about this type of water is that it's gonna fill your stomach up. It has no calories in it. So you're getting full with no calories, but you're just adding a little bit right here. Come on now, you can't beat it. One of my other favorite go-tos right here, flavored sparkling water, cheat code. All right, cheat code. If you have a sweet tooth, I do this all the time, almost once, probably once a day. I take frozen berries and I pour this on top. I use frozen berries as my ice cubes, pour this on top, grab you a spoon because that fruit's gonna taste good in a minute. It's gonna melt. Oh man, it tastes so good. You can eat the fruit after you drink the drink. It is a win. You knock out a sweet tooth, you're getting your fiber and vitamins from the fruit. I highly recommend you try this out, okay? It is a great way. I use this all the time, all right? So whichever, this is the Kirkland brand, you know, you get it from Costco or just get whichever brand you want to, just make sure you check on the back. Make sure you see what it has in it, okay? Because some of these can be, you know, the flavored water, but then they have a bunch of stuff in there that can add up calories real quick. So this is just a cheat code. It'll knock out a sweet tooth. It'll help fill your stomach up because once again, the water will help fill you up. I keep these in stock. I can highly recommend them, okay? And of course, another one I like to roll around with is this right here. Favorite protein bar, whatever your favorite protein bar is, let me know in the comments so we can all go look for them. This right here, Barebells birthday cake, is one of my favorite ones, okay? 20 grams of protein. There's so many different protein bars out there. You go pick the one that you like. The thing is keep it with you, all right? I have these all the time. Like if I'm heading to the gym, I'm like, man, I'm hungry and I gotta eat something. I don't wanna go to the gym all starving. You can have a protein bar and you're good, okay? Or man, I need something just to get me to my next meal, bam. That's when you have one of these, all right? I don't recommend you go around eating protein bars all day long, but if this will keep you from eating something you shouldn't be eating, then I recommend it, all right? Now, this is one of my favorite ones. The great thing about the birthday cake flavor is it knocks out a sweet tooth as well. So you're getting your protein, you're knocking out a sweet tooth. It's just a win-win all the way around. It's super easy to eat. These are great. Barebells, one of my favorite. Do you like Barebells? If so, what's your favorite flavor? And if you don't like Barebells, what is your go-to protein bar? Let me know in the comments. I'll go try it out if I haven't tried it yet. Keep these in stock. It's just a cheat code, okay? So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna eat this real quick. I'm gonna have this sandwich and I'm gonna have some Quest chips and I'll probably have this as well. And I mean, it's over 60 grams of protein right there. Real quick, you're not gonna feel tired. You're not gonna be so full like you just ate a double cheeseburger with fries and a drink and now you're ready to go take a nap. Nope, you're gonna eat this and you're gonna feel good. You're gonna be all right, because you kept items like this in stock, okay? No cooking, no excuses. You can take, all you gotta do is, let me show you the cooler I use. This is the cooler I use right here. So if you're going to work, bam. You know, it's gotta stay cold. I'm gonna put that in there. You put your yogurt in there, take it to work, throw your little lunch meat in there too. Bam, there you go, zip that joker up, grab your bread, and you're ready to go. I'm trying to tell you, if you keep the right items in stock, there's no more excuses, and you always have some way to get your protein, all right? This right here, now even if you don't get down with the chips, this right here is a way, this right here is a better option than going to a fast food place for your lunch break because you forgot to bring your food with you or you forgot to meal prep. That's another thing. If you got time to meal prep. Get some chicken, get some beef, whatever you want to roll with. If you don't have time to meal prep, just keep certain items in stock, okay? Keep some bread, lunch meat, protein chips, cottage cheese, yogurt, carbonated water, you know, string cheese, all these items right here, just keep them in stock and it's really gonna help you out, all right? Let me know if this video provided you some value. I'm just trying to help out, trying to show you what I eat that keeps me on track, that keeps me from making excuses so I don't go out there and make a choice that I shouldn't be making that's not gonna help me reach my goals. Let me know if the video helped you out. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.